So just a wee update on where I am. Now reached the summit of Beinn Achaladair. Sun is, I can see it, it's starting to go down. It's covered in clag unfortunately, so not many views. I think it'd be a shame to ruin that. So the decision is to camp up here. I've seen a couple of spots that look pretty good, look dry enough as well. So I'm gonna have a scout around, choose the best spot, and park myself here for the night. Next one I'll show you once I'm set up. So that's me ready to hunker down for the night. Time is roughly around 10 o'clock and that's when sunset is. So let's give you a look at where I'm camped. This is the summit of Beinn Achaladair. We came in. And I'm just trying out the UpKit Soloist. Decent wee tent. Not a lot of room, but enough for one. Got my bag at the back just as to use as a pillow. But that's the setup on a slight slope, but nothing unmanageable. I'm hardly going to roll out it. Just now I'm just going to have a wee wander up to the summit, back, have a quick bite to eat and get my head down. So the next one is tomorrow morning for our walk to Beinn Mhanach. Good morning folks, that's me, just got up, voice is a little bit hoarse. Same conditions really, we're back into the clag, but what was amazing was I just poked my head out about 3 o'clock in the morning and there was this fantastic cloud inversion where every top was visible. I only managed to get a picture of it, but here it is. So the plan for this morning is roughly about half past 4 in the morning. I'm just going to go up to the summit of Beinn Achaladair and take a couple of time lapses, and then we'll get the tent packed away and over to the next one, which is Beinn Mhanach. Right, so that's the tent packed away and it's time to get a move on and start bagging those Munros. Could be tricky with the cloud inversion, but I'm pretty sure there's a good path certainly up to the next one. This is the summit of Beinn Achaladair, and just to the right of the sun is the next Munro. So that's me in between the two Munros now, up the little buoy. So that's me reached the summit of Beinn Achaladair, and I'm so happy to be here, feeling quite tired. Thank God I've got the walking poles, they've been an absolute godsend. So you notice that I don't have a pack on. I dropped the pack a little little further back. No point, humping that all the way up just for the sake of it. Clearly the visibility is not the best either at the minute. I'm hoping the sun is just gonna help me out there. So this is going to be the descent down to in between the Beinn Achaladair and Beinn Achaladair, and then I'll work my way across to Beinn Mhanach. I'll give you an update once we're there. So let's have an update. Where are we? We're about halfway across that bog between the drop off from Beinn Achaladair and the col for Beinn Mhanach, which is just behind. This is what it looks like. Visibility is much better at this level. Lovely view down to the loch. And we've probably just got another kilometre to go. So just another update on what's happening. I've decided to abort going up Beinn Mhanach. I think it's a little bit too much for me today. So up and down there with the distance I've got to do to get back to Bridge of Orchy and 2.5 hour drive on top, it's not the best. So just playing it safe, and I'm going to work my way back up to the col between Beinn and Beinn and Dothaidh. But it's so frustrating being this close. Just going to skirt round to the right here. There is a track, but I didn't see the point in losing the height, so I'm just going to keep on the height and work my way around towards that col. So that's me at the col between Beinn and Beinn and Dothaidh, and it's time to get back to the car. Knackered, happy with my decision not to do Beinn Mhanach. Frustrating to be that close and not do it, but it's always better to be safe. So just like to say thank you for watching. Get some good times on the Munros, some bad times. I had a mix of both on this trip, and it was also great to get a wild camp. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.